got that job just about buttoned up, but I got to bring some of my stones. Those are my good stones. I got to bring them. Oh yeah, we got to unload the skid steer too. I'll get that done, and I'm gonna fill some buckets. Can you guys even see? Fill some buckets with these stones, and yeah, we'll bring them to Buddy's. I got to pick up some doors. I found some really good shaped doors for the truck there. I'm really glad now that I didn't spend a whole lot of time. I just put some, I just welded the smushed up bottoms back together, and poop in there, little poop in there, but listen, barely a hiss. Right? We're the only people awake in Inwood right now, and we're about to change that. Good stones, boys. That's for my French drain. I don't think we're doing her though, because it ain't done yet, so nothing happens. Well, there she is. Look at that. That looks a lot better. Maybe we should do a before and after comparison. I am going to come back. I got to get my traptor still. I'm going to come back with the nailer and just, see we got one on that side, so I'll put one on this side. And I'll do the same over here, just so we don't have any flapping.
Looks amazing. Good job. Are you going to be able to try to do me a solid on that?
Yeah, when I pick up my traptor, I'll scratch away at it or whatever.
Right,
see if I can claw it out of there. Okay. Right? Yeah, you too. Thanks a lot. Look at that, eh? Nice stone in the bottom there. Nice. That looks sharp, boys. Doesn't want to bury the downspouts for now because he's got other issues. So we're gonna wait till the spring. We're going to tie in the downspout down there and these two downspouts, and then we'll send them out into one stovepipe. But we just got a couple hunks of concrete. He just wants me to bury them over here, and then we'll kind of foof around the dirt piles over there a little bit, foof it out a little bit, and then we go. almost lost you guys. What are you guys doing? You're just hiding in the woods? What's the matter for yourself? We got that done. Just foofed out a bit of the dirt onto the tree over there. Foofed this out so it kind of deviates. Look at that. Oh my god. So many good works. But he wants me to have a look at this stump here, so we'll check it out quick. Not sure this guy will touch it, but little stump removal on the house here, boys. Just a little while you're here, have to see how long this took. It didn't take long. So many whiskers coming out. A couple big uns, and a couple big uns, but anyways, it's good enough for Inwood. We'll freaking pack up, head out, and go back to Inwood and get ready for the next one. Oh, nice. Hopefully I stepped in that. Hopefully that's all over my boot. That'd be great. Be wonderful news.